Hello everybody and welcome to round 2 of our gun battle. Now, okay then, sorry about anyone who didn't want to be seen in this video. Even the kitties. Okay. In the window. Those are not our kitties, but I'll show you them in a later video. Because I've already showed you Alex and Charlie at my grandpa's house. So, this is Isaiah, and he decided, oh, he's my little brother, he decided that he doesn't want to use his gun, because he only has one bullet if you saw in the last round. So he is going to use his fists instead. Which is kind of dangerous, because, I mean for him, because, well, if I don't have to get close to him, he has to get close to me. Because, here, I'll give you a demonstration of how far this shoots. As you can see, it all went all the way across the parking lot.
It shoots up higher.
Yeah, when you shoot it up, it goes extra high. And there's a dog behind the fence that's cute. Probably the one that the lady was walking earlier. Okay, so this time we're going to switch start points, and Isaiah's going to shout go. So Isaiah, you go do that, and I'll wait. Remember, we have to do this quick. I can hear. That's a bee, that's a bee, that's a beautiful bee. That's a bee, that's a bee. How scared I will be. Okay, the gun's cocked. Oh, there he is. There he is again. He's over across the field. Oh, he's looking. I don't think he saw me. Oh. He's still there. Yep, he's still there. Okay, gonna have to do this quick. Got 2 bullets, and I'm ready to fight. Actually, I'm gonna go inside and get one of my bullets, my little brother's bullet. Because, you know, why not? I'm holding the camera different because it was hard to run and shoot holding it the other way. Oh shoot! Oh, shoot. Thank God you tripped.
Oh, wait, I'm going already. Oh, yes.
I got you. And he dies. That was round 2, everyone.
So fast.
Yeah, it was. Now my shoe's all muddy.
Why?
Because I win, and you lose, and I win.
And you're awesome.
We don't technically have to play a third round now, because I already have 2 points. Oh, no, not buy it. Well, we'll finish uploading these videos, and then we'll play a bonus round, just for fun. You can't win, but it's just for fun. Hey, where'd you get that ring?
Be quiet.
Where'd you get that ring? From your GF?
From my one girlfriend.
Oh, sure, like you only have one. You have like, I don't know, 50. You have Maggie, you have Olivia. Oh, shoot. Yes, you do! If I ever become famous on YouTube, and then people are going to want to see the first couple of videos I made, and then they're going to see you and how you lost. Okay, so we'll play a bonus round later. See you, and goodbye.